Hello and welcome back to the Geek Tech Show. In today's video we are going to be checking out how to do slow motion HD videos with your Canon. How awesome is that? Did you know that this Canon has the possibility to record slow motion video as well? To do this, what you have to do is first move this to video, turn this on obviously, and then you have to do a few things right inside to set this correctly. First thing you have to do is to go to the menu setting. Over here, the first thing in the menu, and this is in the camera mode, you're going to go to number 1. Next, you're going to go to where it says movie record quality. Then you're going to go right here where it says high frame rate. Press on this, press on enable, turn this on, and it's automatically is going to go into high definition mode. And you can't set anything else here. So after you do this, I'm going to go into the menu. You'll see HM right on top here. This means this is a high frame rate, and it's going to enable you to shoot high definition, high quality, slow motion videos on your Canon G7X Mark III. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you did enjoy it. And if you did, smash right now the thumbs up button, and after that go ahead and subscribe to the Geek Tech Show, because I want to see you in the next episode. Help me get to 5,000 subs. Thank you, and see you in the next video.